Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a super easy and delicious homemade banana bread that's perfect for breakfast, dessert, or just a snack with coffee. If you got some overripe bananas sitting around, this is the perfect way to use them up. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the dry ingredients. In the bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Give it a quick whisk so everything is evenly distributed. Then you can put it to the side. Next, grab your ripe bananas. The more brown spots they have, the better it makes your banana bread. It makes it extra sweet and moist. Peel your 3 bananas and place them in a large bowl. With the fork, smash them. I measured them and they came to about 340 grams. Now don't worry about it being too smooth. A little texture is totally fine. Add in 1 cup of sugar. I'm using a half cup measurements. That's why you see me add the sugar twice. 2 large eggs, make sure they're at room temperature. 1 teaspoon vanilla. And 1 teaspoon butter extract. Give it a quick whisk to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. Next, add in 1/3 cup buttermilk at room temperature, half cup oil, I'm using canola, and remember oil keeps the banana bread moist. If you want to use butter, it gives it flavor. That's why I add the butter extract. And give it a quick mix. Now I like a lot of cinnamon, so I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. If you like less, add in 1. Combine all the wet ingredients together. Next, slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. And I added in 2 parts. Now stir it lightly, being careful not to overmix it. And you'll see that I switch my whisk into a spatula. Once your banana bread batter is ready, pour it into a greased loaf pan. I like to line mine with parchment paper for easy removal. Now this is optional. I am also going to peel in another banana and I'm going to split it in half and place it on top of my banana bread loaf. Now I'm doing this because I thought it would look aesthetically pleasing. But if you have little kids, make sure not to do this because if they're picky eaters, they won't want to see the banana on top of the banana bread. Pop it into a 350-degree oven for about 55 to 65 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. If you find that the side of your banana breads are cooking faster, place some aluminum foil on the side. Once your banana bread is baked, let it cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then transfer it to a rack to cool completely. This banana bread is so good. It's perfectly moist, super flavorful, and so easy to make. My little nieces loves my banana bread. I hope you give this recipe a try the next time you have some overripe bananas. This is super soft and fluffy. It's not dense at all, and it's delicious. Hope you like my banana bread. It doesn't have any walnuts because I'm making it for my nieces. This is the whole banana that I cut in half. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's super moist from the oil and has that butter flavor from the butter extract. And here is a better view of a slice. Oh, it is so good. I will also link my original banana walnut bread down below. Check it out. I'll see you later. Bye. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one. It would really help my channel. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!